Hey, welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today I am going to try out my Kingsford Steak Ager Master 45 series and dry age this full rib roast. This is a 22-pound full 7-bone USDA grade prime rib roast, and I got it from the butcher yesterday. It's not trimmed. I'm going to not trim it at all to leave as much on there as possible for the dry aging so I get less waste. We'll trim it all afterwards. I'm going to try standing this upright in the steak ager. They have actually an accessory in which you can hang meat. It hasn't came out yet. Thought about hooking some hooks from my pit barrel, but that rack's just not strong enough to support this kind of meat. So I'm going to try standing it upright. If it doesn't work, we'll have to come back and trim it. Just set it normally on the racks. I'm hoping that it works out so that I have a little bit less waste from that. You can see we've got a good cut of beef right here. I'm excited to try this out. We are going to let this dry age for 28 to 30 days, and then we're going to come back and see how it looks. We'll trim it up and we'll slice it into steaks, and we'll have a few separate videos showing different ways to cook the individual steaks. So I'm going to go get this, throw it in the fridge, and we'll be right back. Alright, I have this rib roast in here standing upright. I'm going to try this out for a few days and kind of see if I get enough airflow around the bottom. If not, I'll have to come back and trim it, but we will see how it goes. Unit is kind of noisy, got a loud fan, but we will see. Check it out. Alright, we are back. We have our what was 22 pounds rib roast. It is now about 18 pounds after I measured it. So it lost about 20% of its weight. And we're going to trim this up and cut it into some steaks. So the hard exterior crust that has developed is what's called, or known as pellicle. We're going to trim all that up to get down to the steak. And you can save that. You can use it for beef stock. You can make beef tallow out of it. There's lots of uses. You can mix it into some hamburger or some sausage. But for now, we're going to go ahead and start trim this up. Really hard exterior. Alright, we finished trimming, and now we have some steaks. We'll make a series of different videos. Each individual steak, we're going to cook it up a different way and see how they turn out. So this was our first experience with the Kingsford Steak Ager 45, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks.